So hello everyone, in this video we'll be completing our register page. No, yeah. So in the register page, we'll be making request to our backend, which says uh, to register us basically. So we'll be making use of the register route now. So in here I'll be making it async, just like that, and then I can use a try catch block to catch the errors as well. I can add the console log, and I can call the message dot error, and remember we have that get error message function we created in the last video. This should be from and assign. Yeah, we have the data now. Let's prepare the data. The data will be nothing but the first name, last name, and username and password. After that, we'll be making request to our auth service page, in which we created auth services, right? So auth services, then we have the register user, then I will be sending this data. Also, I can create the loading state here as well to add the loading spinner in the button set loading, and I can make it initially as false, and then I can set it to true initially when we start making request, and then I can make it false when we receive the response after this line. So we know that await waits for this request to complete, and then after that it executes this line or the next line basically. And also we can make false here whenever we'll be getting any error. Okay, yeah. Now I can also make that in here. So loading, and I will pass loading state. Now the other thing is that I have to pass the message that I have to also let the user know that you are registered. You are registered successfully, or any message that you would like to add here. After that, I can use the same navigate object by using use navigate hook. We have, let me just import it from the React router DOM. You have to import it, and then after that I can make use of this navigate, and I'll be navigating the user to the login page after he has registered, so he can go to the login page. Okay, also I can add a log of this response so I can see what response I got, right? That's it. I think that is done. Now let me just save this page and register a new user. Okay, so let me just create a simple user. Let's say John Wick. So he's John Wick now. I can use the same password. Okay, so 123. Now if I register, I should get a message. You can see you are registered successfully, and now I can save this user. And if I log in, so I should be logged in. You can see I'm logged in, and I'm also getting the token here. And the token should also be stored inside the local storage, which is this one. You can see John Wick. Now what we'll be doing is in the next video we'll be creating our navigation and working on this to-do list page, and in that we'll be adding the navigation. In the navigation we have to add you check for the user whether the user exists in the local storage or not, and then we'll be accordingly when the user is in the local storage we'll be showing the different navigation, basically the different option in the navigation, and the to-do list part, or the option to create to-do list. So all that we'll be working on in the next video. Thank you for watching. Let's meet in the next video.